Let's make breakfast and make sure that it has over 40 grams of protein. First, broccoli, 2 grams of protein. One egg, 6 grams of protein. A serving of egg whites, 10 grams of protein. 4 breakfast sausage links from Peterson's low sugar breakfast sausage, 14 grams of protein. Then we move on to non fat feta, 6 grams of protein. And lastly, a piece of sourdough toast is 3 grams of protein. Unfortunately, my first piece of toast burnt, so I had to put another piece of toast or a piece of bread in the toaster oven. And in the meanwhile, I add the feta and the broccoli to the
Oh, good.
pan
Take
with
that
the
out.
eggs. And now it is time to top my sourdough toast with this amazing, no sugar added raspberry fruit spread. And that's it, folks. This is how you get not only 40 grams of protein, but 47 grams of protein, including my coffee with reduced fat milk, which is not pictured. Enjoy.